Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use silent mode on Instagram. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last update, Instagram does not have a built-in silent mode feature that specifically mutes the app's notifications or sounds. However, you can control the notification settings on your Android device to manage Instagram notifications effectively. Here's how you can do it. First things first, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the side menu. Then, choose the top settings. In the settings menu, go ahead and find the notifications and tap on it. Within the notification settings, you can customize various notification preferences such as push notifications, story notifications, likes, comments, and more. Tap on each notification category to adjust its settings. For example, you can choose to disable push notifications or adjust the sound settings for specific types of notifications. If you want to silence Instagram notifications, locate the notification category, for example, messages, and toggle off all the related settings in the message option. This will prevent Instagram from playing notification sounds for that category. After customizing your notification preferences, exit the settings menu by tapping the back arrow or navigating back to the main Instagram interface. By adjusting these settings, you can effectively control how Instagram notifies you on your Android device, including minimizing or silencing notification sounds. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.